Hi. Welcome to the Car View channel. Please subscribe to this channel to get the latest video updates. Thank you. It turns out the reports from November last year were correct. The Hyundai Ioniq 5 receives a larger battery pack for the European market with a mid-cycle refresh for the electric hatchback. There are other smaller updates for the new model year, but let's focus on the hardware enhancements first. Just like the Ioniq 5 for the US market, the zero-emissions Hyundai will now be sold with an optional 77.4 kilowatt-hour battery pack. It replaces the previous 72.6 kilowatt-hours battery and joins the smaller 58 kilowatt-hours battery, which will carry over as a base option. A power increase of 11 horsepower comes with a larger battery option, as well as a WLTP-certified range of 315 miles, 507 kilometers, on a single charge. However, the heat pump remains an option and is not part of the standard equipment. Another healthy upgrade over the previous model year of the Ioniq 5 for Europe is the new battery heater and conditioning feature, which adapts the car's battery temperature to support optimal charging conditions while traveling. This helps in a way that the car is better prepared when reaching a charging point and improves the charging performance in both hot and cold weather conditions. The feature is activated automatically when a fast charging point is entered into the car's navigation system. Also new for 2023 model year is the addition of a video-based center mirror. It is mounted in the vehicle's rear spoiler, and Hyundai promises optimized visibility through a panoramic rear-facing view of the EV. In addition to the digital center mirror, there are also digital side mirrors, which are available on a Hyundai product in Europe for the first time in history. Depending on the market, the 2023 Hyundai Ioniq 5 will be sold in 4 different trim levels. There's a new member of the range, Namsan Edition, which takes the flagship position and offers full equipment and the highest possible powertrain specifications. It comes with the larger 77.4 kilowatt-hours battery pack, digital mirrors, panoramic roof, heat pump, and others.